crossover and listen in live.
8 of our Constitution is very clear that once the Council, Security Council of the country approves any deployment or proposal for deployment of our security forces, then Article 240, Sub-Article 8 of our Constitution comes to play immediately. And allow me to read that deployment of national forces outside Kenya will be done with approval of Parliament. And that is why we have these two committees sitting together, because it is not the National Assembly alone or the Senate, it is the Parliament. And so, if you look at agenda number 3, the request came from our CS Interior after the approval by the National Security Council. The purpose of today's session, members, is to listen to the CS, to expound more on this particular request, and there will be many issues that are going to be raised by members and by the CS, so that even as we go to the floor of the House, Senate and the National Assembly, we have all the facts, all the justification why this should be done. And so this will be a very open discussion. You represent the people, the Senate represents the counties and the governments, and so the House then will be able to make the decision based on the presentation by this. And so I don't want to take more than that. I just want to say this is the moment for us as a House to listen, to understand, and be able to present this issue before the House. The rest of the issues will be raised by the members as we go by. So let me allow my colleague also to make some few remarks, then we proceed from there.
So thank you so much, Co-Chair. Members, again, I think I don't have much. As being said and well put by my colleague, we are seated here because of a matter at hand on the intended deployment of our security forces to the country of Haiti. And as the provision of Article 248A of our Constitution, the Cabinet Secretary, who is seated before us here, had sought the approval of National Assembly for the deployment of the same officers and to the country of Haiti, in line with the resolution of the United National Security Council Resolution 2699 of 2023 of the 2nd October 2023. And of course, following the receipt of the request by the Secretary, at a sitting of the National Assembly held on Wednesday, 25th October, the Speaker of the National Assembly referred the matter for consideration to these both departmental committees. And